What just happened?
I got my tooth
Here, here's some chapstick. You want to put some on your lip?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me put the lid on. There.
Did I get it?
Huh?
Did I get it?
That's your chin.
Oh, that's my chin.
Go up a little.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Here, let me help you.
Oh, that's my...
Hang on, I'm gonna...
what's this?
That's your lip.
That's my lip.
I know you think it is. Hang on, I'm gonna get some on your lip.
No.
That's your upper lip. Here's your bottom.
That's my lip.
Why are you dressed for school, Bryce?
Oh, I forgot.
What'd you forget?
My lunch.
Your lunch?
Yeah.
Honey, we're not going to school today. You don't have to worry about it.
No.
Do you know what just happened?
I have some water.
Huh?
Water.
Yeah, hang on just a minute. Here, you need to sit up before you can handle it. You have to put it in your mouth and
I did.
try again. You have to put the cup in your mouth.
I did.
You're putting it on your chin, honey.
No, I'm not.
You can keep putting it on your chin, but it's gonna keep filling. You go down now? Around your mouth? Good. Find your mouth first. Use your hand to find your mouth, and then put the cup on.
I'm all wet.
Yeah, I'll get you a towel. What just happened, Scout? Huh?
He just wants crackers.
Oh. Did you just have surgery?
Yeah.
What's that? Uh-oh. Here, I'll get it from here. What is it?
It's yellow.
Oh my goodness, it's yellow.
What's that though?
I don't know. It's stretchy though.
Wow, very stretchy.
When does this wear off?
Huh?
When does this wear off?
We're hoping it does
That
at
is
some point.
stretchy.
He's permanent.
What are you eating?
Cracker.
A cracker. Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it. What is that?
It's yellow.
Oh my gosh. I think that's purple. Where'd you find that purple lid?
Huh?
Is that purple lid in your hand?
What?
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
There's some
Okay.
writing on here. Can you read it? What's that?
This.
How's the stomach?
This.
This what? What's the rest of it say?
Too many words.
Too many words?
Yeah.
Don't stand next to him. He'll reach out and grab you. What's going, guys?
Hi, sweetie. You can't have that.
What?
Hey, look, it's yellow.
It is yellow.
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
It's the lid for the fish food.
Nice.
Oh my goodness. What is this?
I don't know. What is it?
I don't know.
It's stretchy. Got some crackers.
It's like
What is he on?
What's that?
What?
What is this?
I don't know.
Have you guys seen David from the dentist?
What is this?
I don't know.
Well, look at it close. What is it?
It's brown.
it's brown.
Yeah. Yellow.
What do you think you do with it?
What do you want to eat?
Crackers.
You want some crackers?
We don't have any, I don't think. Do you know where there's a cracker?
Can I have a cracker?
Do you know where there might be a cracker? Look around, there might be a cracker around you.
I don't see a cracker.
You want to try this? Try and eat it. Oh, what's that?
I still want a cracker.
You still want a cracker?
Yeah.
You want some water? Careful of this. You don't want to spill it. There's water in there.
Careful.
I can't get any water. Yeah.
Maybe if we had a better cup. You think? If we had some cups that work. Here, why don't I help you?
What are you doing? What is it?
It's yellow.
Oh, wow. It is
You
yellow.
gonna be okay?
What is that?
It's stretchy.
Oh my goodness. I wonder what it is. Wow.
Alright, should we put him in bed?
Here. Here, do you want a drink of water?
Just a second. Dustin. Dustin, come here for a second. Watch this.
Be careful. It'll spill. Watch out.
I can't get any water.
No, try one more time. See if that cup will work.
I can't get it.
Okay, I'll help you. Tilt your
Can I
head
have a
back.
cracker?
Tilt your... Oh, I don't know if we have any. Do you see any crackers?
I want a cracker.
Here, try it. Why don't you just bite that? What's that?
I want a cracker.
You still want a cracker? Tilt your head back.
Is that good? I think we should put him in bed now. Too much fun?
It's yellow.
And stretchy.
It's both.
Eureka!
Girl,
Wow.
Why are you doing that?
It's yellow and stretchy.
Wow. How?
Tyson sleeping? Don't let him break that.
Can I have a cracker?
I don't know if we have any crackers. Would you like that?
I want a cracker.
You just want a cracker?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe just bite this until we get some crackers.